Hello there and welcome to Hypermotive. In stock today we have this Acapulco blue metallic Caravelle. This particular Caravelle is the rare 4Motion 4-wheel drive. This is a genuine 2-owner vehicle with full service history, only covering 40,000 miles. This is a particularly well-spec'd Caravelle. This comes with Discover Media Nav, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Genuine Sportline 18-inch black alloy wheels. LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. This Caravelle comes with the premium front seat package, both electric and memory, heated as well. Genuine Sportline front bumper with genuine VW sidebars and a 30mm lowering kit. This Caravelle comes with front and rear parking sensors, with a reverse camera, and a host of other fantastic options, including electric doors, both passenger and drivers, as well as a electric tailgate. If you'd like to inquire about the Caravelle, you can reach us through our website, via our email, or you can call us. Thank you.